What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, Turn Motivation into Millions. Yeah, that's all the channels right there. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake imposters out there, a lot of fake social media platforms, a lot of people out there scamming people with fake pages to me. Alright, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, I'm back at it again. I'm back at it dropping this sauce. I'm back at it dropping these gems. For all my people out there that's ready to elevate. For all my people out there that's ready to start thinking right in life. For all my people out there that's ready to get their life on the right track, from credit to money to wisdom to knowledge to whatever it is. Because at the end of the day, anything is possible. Anybody becomes successful. Anybody become a multimillionaire. We're not just the goal isn't just $1 million, because $1 million is nothing. That's $10,000 100 times. That's nothing. We want to become multimillionaires, because when you become a multimillionaire, you're officially a real millionaire. Because once you get $1 million and you still got to dip into that $1 million to start investing and doing other things, you're no longer a millionaire. All right. So let's start focusing on how we can become multimillionaires, other than just becoming rappers and entertainers and things like that, because everybody wants to do what the next person is doing to get fast, easy money because they see it's working for them or multiple people. Now, I'm not saying anybody out there can't become a rapper or an entertainer or anything like that, but it's other ways to do it. So a lot of people think they're gonna put out a song and they're gonna get a hit and become the next best thing. No, it's a grind and cost a lot of things. So you got to think about it. It costs a lot of money to invest into a music career. It costs a lot of money to do a lot of different things. So boom, I'm here to show you guys how to invest into yourself, how to become successful, how to become wealthy, how to get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. The same things these major corporations, these same businesses, these same people who you are looking to get signed to, this is what this is how they're obtaining the money to give to you. Everything is a loan. These companies aren't just giving you free money. No, they're getting loans from these banks and things too, to fund you guys and recoup and pay that back and make money. They don't just have money just sitting around. No, everything revolves around loans. The whole world revolves around loans. Every business that is in operation and that's moving and grooving right now has loans. All right, and they don't have personal loans. They have business loans. And a lot of people are so focused on getting these bad credit personal loans, when you need to be focused on building your personal credit, starting a business, and getting business loans. Because at the end of the day, you're trying to get the money to what? Handle some type of business. You want to get this money to do this and do that. That's what the business loans, credit cards, and lines of credits are for. All right, so I'm going to definitely be start making more videos on that, how you can leverage your personal credit to a PG, personal guarantor, towards your business credit, and start getting high limit loans. But today I'm gonna give you guys another loan, another place where you can get a bad credit loan, another place that's helping people out, another place that's giving people second chances. And we're gonna be talking about Red Arrow loans. Yes, Red Arrow loans. They're giving up to another place that's giving up to $35,000. But a lot of people don't take my advice. A lot of people don't take the steps that I give you in the beginning of these videos to help you have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. Because at the end of the day, it's a lot of different factors that play in the part for you getting approved for these bad credit loans. Just because you have bad credit doesn't mean you're automatically qualified to get these loans. You have to have a paper trail. You have to have actually a trail of you getting paid. A lot of people are self-employed and they don't have bank accounts. A lot of people are self-employed and they don't have a paper trail. You got to have a paper trail. You got to have bank statements and all that. And I told you guys how to generate that. ADP payroll provider. If you're self-employed, pay yourself through ADP payroll provider. That will generate you checks, and you can deposit those checks into a bank account and get them direct deposited, which will make it look good on paper. Once it looks good on paper, and I showed you guys how to clean your credit and build an ad trade line so you can have good debt instead of negative debt on your credit report. That's going to make it look even better. So now you literally got everything that they're looking for. You got bank statements. They can go check the your bank statements and actually go log into your bank account and see that the actual transactions from the ADP payroll provider. You got that. Now you can actually start getting W-2s and taxes and filing self-employment taxes. Now your credit is looking better, and you got trade lines on there that they can see that you're making exceptional payment history, because every month that you pay for these trade lines is coming directly out of your bank account, so you're not missing a payment. Now you got exceptional payment history on your credit report, and you got good debt on your credit. It's either bad debt or good debt. Now you got good debt, high good debt, and you're making those payments back on time. You're going to have a good chance of getting qualified for these bad credit loans. So please, 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 when I make these videos, make sure your business is in order. Make sure you're listening to what I'm saying and hear what I'm saying, because when I'm telling you guys to go to these banks and these smaller banks, your local city banks, or those credit unions in your city or in your town, to start building a relationship. And a lot of people say, what's a relationship? Well, a relationship is when you open up a bank account and you start depositing money, more money than you take out. And once they see that, once you have money in that account, they'll start sending you perks on credit cards, loans, and things like that. And once they start sending you perks, that's the time to attack and go apply for a loan. All right, so today we're going to be talking about red arrow loans. They're giving up bad credit loans, $35,000 of the $35,000. We can go check them out and see how you can get your $35,000. Without further ado, let's check it out. So today we're going to be talking about red arrow loans, all right? A better money solution to get funds fast anywhere. With Red Arrow Loans, you can receive funds up to $35,000. We have extensive partnerships with large authorized lenders. This allows us to cover almost all 50 states. If approved, the loan will be received in as soon as the next business day from the privacy of your own home. All right, so they're working with a lot of different lenders that will work with a lot of different people's credit profiles. Everybody's credit profile is not the same. So when people be commenting on the videos like, has anybody got approved for the loan? You really shouldn't be worried about if anybody else got approved for a loan, because if they got approved for a loan doesn't mean you're going to get approved for a loan. If you got approved for a loan doesn't mean they're going to get approved for a loan, because your situation is not the same as their situation. So everybody that's out there that's be commenting, waiting for somebody else to see if somebody else got approved, that has nothing to do with you, because your profile is not the same as their profile. All right, so worry about yourself. Worry about how you can get approved for a loan. Maybe they didn't get approved for a loan, and maybe you watching the videos and taking the steps, so now you can get approved for the loan. All right, so we got to do better. All right, so personal loans online. Our online form is quick, secure, hassle-free. You can fill out your own online form with the privacy from your own home. All credit types accepted. There are many advantages with our Red Arrow loans. You can fill out our online form with any credit type at Red Arrow Loans. See money in your account. Another benefit is funds are deposited directly into your bank account as soon as the next business day. All right, so we will contact you with a lender who understands your financial means, which means once you fill out the application, they will find a lender who matches your criteria, you will have a better chance of getting approved for the loan. All right, so now it just breaks down what a personal loan is. A personal loan is a way for an individual to receive up to $35,000 in funding. It is a loan that can be used from home enhancements, luxury item purchases, vehicle repairs, or bill payments. The length of the loan is called the term and can range all the way up to 60 months, depending on the lender. Our simple online form does not contain any loan questions. Instead, it asks you your basic information and a location where you would be like to loan to be sent to you. It is that easy, all right? So basic loan requirements. You must be at least 18 years of age, must be a U.S. citizen, currently employed, or receive steady income. Have a bank account to receive the funds. Ideally, the direct deposit. No bank account? Click here. They can get you set up with one. So, and then it just basically breaks down how everything works. So, fast, easy, secure loan form. A Red Arrow loan realizes that financial problems come unexpected and allows at a bad time. We believe that lending should be made easy, fast, and not only rely on the individual's past history. We are here to help. The process starts with completing our online form. The online form must be completed accurately to make sure the funds are not sent to the wrong individual. Lenders use the information provided to verify your identity before sending you the funds. One of the advantages of using Red Arrow loans is that we have many lenders that may have different lender methods. This means that you are more than likely to be approved by the lender within our network because there are many options available to you. Since each lender has their own lender policies, once approved, please be sure to read the disclosures and their lender practices carefully before signing and agree to loan. All right. So frequently asked questions: what are the personal loan? What can I use it for? What are any fees? What is the highest loan amount I can receive? $35,000. How do you protect my privacy and personal information? What if I'm letting them skip a payment? When do I repay the loan? And fees and interest, it goes into that. All right. So make sure you guys are going to check out Red Arrow Loans. All right. They're giving up to $35,000 with bad credit. If you take the steps that I told you guys in every video, before I show you guys the loan sites, you will have a better chance of getting approved for these loans, even getting a higher loan amount. Make sure you got all your documents together. Make sure you got a bank account, personal checking and savings, and you'll be all right. All right, so Red Arrow Loans. Without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Red Arrow Loans giving up to $35,000 to people with bad credit. Yes, bad credit loans. And like I said, shoosh, bless me. And like I said, anybody out there, if you pay attention to the beginning of my videos and take the steps that I tell you, hello? If you take the information that I give you in the beginning of the video, you will have a better chance, a better successful rate of getting approved for these loans. Sometimes it might not be $35,000. It might be $20,000. It might not be $20,000. It might be $23,000. It might be $13,000. You just have to make sure you got your documents, your paperwork together. You got your relationship with the bank. You're going through ADP payroll provider if you're self-employed to start building a track record for your money so it can look good on paper, because like I said, a lot of people aren't getting approved because you have no track record. It does not look good on paper. You have no structure. Like everybody be like, I need bank statements. Well, you can get your bank statements through ADP payroll provider, or you can go to the sites that I gave you before and generate your own pay stubs if you don't want to go through ADP payroll provider. All right, so make sure y'all taking that information. Make sure y'all examining it. Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, really interpreting what I'm saying, because I'm guaranteed you will have a better chance of getting approved. All right, so next videos we're gonna be talking about business credit. Next videos we're gonna be talking about how you can get better, faster business lines of credit, loans, and credit cards. How you can start your LLC, how you can start your business, and how you can become successful off your business faster than off your personal credit. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, new subscribers, and old subscribers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company. Actors, rappers, models, entertainers, content creators, cameraman, and producers. Tap in. If you're a cameraman, you a real cameraman. When I say a real cameraman, I mean not somebody that's inspiring, not somebody that want to be a cameraman. I mean you actually out here getting paid to shoot music videos. You're taking it, going home, and you're editing the videos, and you getting them together, and you got all the right tools, 4K camera or better. Tap in. Let's start making these monies. Let's start pushing out this content and getting paid off these views. All right. I need a consistent cameraman. So if you in Houston, Texas, tap in. If you in Texas, tap in. Surrounding areas, tap in. Or if you can travel to Texas, tap in. Let's start getting paid. Let's start pushing out this content. Let's start building this brand. Teamwork make the dream work. Models, any beautiful lady out there, you ready to start getting paid? You ready to start putting yourself on the right track? You ready to start building your brand and platform? You tired of taking these beautiful pictures and not getting paid? You tired of twerking, making twerk videos for free and not getting paid? Tap in with me. A lot of people out there that's still in these strip clubs that's really shouldn't be in there. That's really over the age. And when I say over the age, none of my ladies will be in a strip club over the age of 25, 26, because by that age they will have a business established. We would have built their credit, and I would have taught them how to invest into certain things that make passive income. A lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people don't understand the grind and the hard work. So if you're a woman out there that want to understand the grind and the hard work, you got a good head on your shoulders, a good attitude, tap in. I'm gonna show you how to make this passive income. I'm gonna show you how to make some money with your clothes on too. But you know, if you want to be sexy, you want to do certain things like be in music videos, be an entertainer, do podcasts. I'm gonna show you how to do all that. We gonna make money. We gonna get rich. We gonna run it up. We gonna run that bag up. Point blank. Period. All right. Music reviews is $200. You any artists out there that want to get your chain, want to get your watch, tap in, start getting paid. Tap in. I'm gonna show you how to get paid off this music. We gonna get paid. All that. If you don't got $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into your music career? This entertainment business is not free. It takes a lot of money to invest before you even make a dollar off this music industry, especially when you're independent. You got to pay for everything yourself, from marketing, promotion, wardrobe, music videos, traveling fees, interviews, music placements on radio, all that. Everything costs. Drop a mixtape on TuneCore, DistroKid, all that. It costs. So if you don't have, and you're not going to be able to go to any other record label and say, hey, sign me, I'm the best thing, I got all these views, none of that. I know a lot of y'all that already sent y'all music and videos to all these major artists, and you never got a response. You're not going to be able to go nowhere and do that, all right? And if it's the opportunity, you have to pay, all right? They doing music reviews, and you got to pay. Boom Man over there at Authentic Empire charging $5,000 just to sit down. It's $1,000 to enter his little mute, all that. So make it make sense, all right? We finna really get paid. I got major funding coming up for Hussle Nation Empire, my production company. So, like I said, you don't got $200 investing in you, or you think that's too much or anything, please don't send me your music, because I will not check it out. It's business, all right? Also, come get y'all limited gems. FaceTime one-on-ones is $1,200. You want to learn how to make $1,000 a day, at least $1,000 a day or more off social media. You want to learn how to build your credit, clean your credit, start a credit repair. You want to learn how to make YouTube videos. You want to learn how to really run up a bag. Tap in. I'm going to show you CPNs, all that. I'm going to show you all that. I'm going to get you together. Also, make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. You come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we're going to pick the date, and we're going to make it happen on that day, all right? Also, I'm doing mentorships, $25. It's a step under the in-person limited gems. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know. I'm going to take you under my wing. We're going to start making money together, passive income off this YouTube. I'm going to show you how to make YouTube automation. We're going to make pages together. We're going to split the income. So if the channel making $30,000 that month, you get 15, I get 15. It all depends. You just got to make sure you doing what you got to do. You got to be consistent. If you're not consistent, then don't even try to do this. I only work with consistent people. People do not be consistent nowadays, and they be missing out on opportunities. Be consistent if you want to work with me, all right? So make sure y'all tap it in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all follow all the YouTube channels. This one right here, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Make sure you go run them followers up on my IG, King Hussle X1M, and my backup, the real King Hussle X1M. And let's get this money, man. We back to it. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.